Yeah guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download Facebook story. So let's get started. Open your Facebook. Now if you look at our Facebook here, now this story, now let me see, let's click on this three line dot. There's no how you can download your story here. So what you're going to do is, if you want to download your Facebook story, what you need to do is you need to go to your Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser. Then you go and log in your Facebook through your Chrome browser. So you click on the search button and search for facebook.com. Okay guys, okay, you will see now I'm already logging on my Facebook through my Chrome browser. So if your own is not logging you in, it will take you to where you have to log in. So what you need to do is just put your password and your username and you're good to go. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm on my Facebook using my Chrome. Now I'm going to click on one story. Now just click on the story. Once you click on the story here, this is it. So just double click on the story and you will see download image here. Let me show my tab. This is it, download image, and that's it. I have downloaded it. So that is exactly like this. If I open it now, you're going to see the image. You can see. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.